What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are looking at gold. It is currently 6 p.m. Sydney time and about 4 a.m. EST. So we're right at the start of London Open. If we look at the 15-minute here on gold, we had this big push down, but now price was sort of losing momentum this entire push down. If we look at the daily as well, we can see gold is very bullish yesterday and today. We can see today we had a very nice bottom wick coming back to these levels and then rejecting that level, and we've just recently flipped. If we push down to the 4-hour, we can see again this slow push back down, closed no bottom wick on the previous 4-hour. 1 hour had a very big push to the upside, and now we had a very nice closure above this key level. So if we look at the 15-minute, we can see we have this little resistance right here. If we look to the left as well, we can see we have clean range all the way up to 1938. So that's about 35 pips. All I'm waiting for now is for price to create a little retest. Hopefully around, not hopefully, but would be great to around these levels. But as long as we get around 5-ish pips, we can look for buys at the break of this high. Okay, so we now have a 15-minute breakout. If this closes bearish as it's about to, we could have buys at the break of the highs. We had a 15-minute breakout. This was our original breakout. Price retested, pushed up, created new resistance, now broke above that. We can have buy stops at the break of this high. So the new hourly opened up and created a nice bottom wick. So if we break these highs now and push bullish, we can continue on to fill this range. We have a 6-pip bottom wick. Stops will be below the previous hourly, so about 20 pips. So we got filled on most of our accounts just now, which is a bit early, but that's the spread coming to haunt us, but we should be all good. Okay, so that is our current position at the moment. Okay, in terms of how we'll manage this, if we get so this was a 15-minute closure. So if we get a 15-minute closure back below this level, we'll have to close full, because we only had a 15-minute breakout. So the 30, although the 30 closed above this level, it's not a 30-minute breakout. We took this based on the 15-minute. So yeah, we'll have to manage risk on the 15-minute time frame. But we got a very nice entry, a very nice stop. Now we just need to see where break even will be. I'm thinking this wick fill right here. Okay, so that's going to be our break even level, probably TP1 as well, around 14, 15 pips. Now we just chill. It seems the market's a bit sort of slow, so we just have to be patient. But we created a nice bottom wick on the hourly. We're flipping bullish now. We should push and fill this range. But if we don't, close below here on the 15, we'll manage risk, take a loss. Either way, we followed the plan. Very nice entry. This is called a head-tail entry, which is when price closes above on the 15. So you have a 15-minute breakout from this level. The next candle closes bearish, but with a nice tail, meaning that we rejected this level. Price tried to push back below, but it rejected, and the new candle broke the highs, meaning there's a good chance we're going to continue to push bullish now. You can also see on the daily, as I described earlier, very nice daily flip, but even these perfect looking trades can end up not winning, and we have to be ready for that, but we've accepted that already. Anything can happen. all that's in our control right now is how we feel, how we manage the emotions that will arise during this trade, which will inevitably arise, and how we react to those emotions, whether we let the fear of price running and pushing bullish make us go break even early or close profits early, or whether we let the hope of price pushing down make us do something stupid. We just need to be patient and relax and realize that this trade is just another trade. But yeah, it looks a bit slow, so I'll keep you guys updated. I probably won't sit here the whole time, so I'll see you guys soon. Okay, so the new 15 is opening. We pushed really nicely. What I'm going to do now is move my stops to the current hourly low, because if we go below there, I'm not sort of inclined to stay in this trade any longer. I'm happy for price to push down a little bit, but if we look at the hourly, if this hourly flips and closes bearish, I don't see a point in holding. So yeah, price is now at about pardon me, our stops are about 9 pips. Now we're just going to let this rock to our break-even point and our TP. This will be our TP1 at around 15 odd pips. So okay, guys, I am going to go break even here. The reason I'm going a little bit early is because this opened with no bottom wick. And really the only reason why we don't go break even straight away as soon as price pushes is because the next candle is likely to come down, create a bottom wick, and then continue. But this candle just push straight away. So really, if this flips and comes back bearish, we don't need to go break even. But we're at break even now anyway. So yeah, break even trade. We'll look to TP in just a second. As soon as we break those highs to fill that wick, we will go close 80%. But nice, break even trade. All right, guys, I'm going to let this run and I'll check in when we're at TP or break even. Alrighty, so we ended up just getting stopped out of break even right now. Unexpected. I must admit, I didn't think we were going to push and then just rocket down, but that's trading. Very happy with how I managed that trade. I'm not remiss about the fact that I went break even before this level because we opened on the new 15, like I said, with no bottom wick, meaning that if we reject this level and flip back to bearish, because we took this on the 15-minute, there's a good chance we're going to continue down, okay? And what we can do now is just wait for a re-break of this level and then a continuation, okay? So, yeah, very happy with how I managed that. Not sort of pissed off about anything. If this goes on, so be it. We managed that trade well. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that breakdown of the trade. Very simple 15-minute breakout. And I hope you guys sort of see that it takes a lot of preparation. It's not just, oh, I'm going to go break even here or whatever, and things don't always go perfectly, and you have to adjust to the market. And this is what real trading is actually like. So I'll see you guys next trade.